First reading, Isaiah chapter 45 verse 6 to 8, 18, 21 to 25. So that it may be known from east to west that there is no one except me. I am Yahweh, and there is no other. I form the light and I create the darkness. I make well-being, and I create disaster. I, Yahweh, do all these things. Rain down, you heavens, from above, and let the clouds pour down saving justice. Let the earth open up and blossom with salvation, and let justice sprout with it. I, Yahweh, have created it, for thus says Yahweh, the Creator of the heavens. He is God, who shaped the earth and made it, who set it firm. He did not create it to be chaos, He formed it to be lived in. I am Yahweh, and there is no other. Speak up, present your case, let them put their heads together. Who foretold this in the past, who revealed it long ago? Was it not I, Yahweh? There is no other God except me, no saving God, no Savior except me. Turn to me, and you will be saved, all you ends of the earth, for I am God, and there is no other. By my own self I swear it, what comes from my mouth is saving justice. It is an irrevocable word, all shall bend the knee to me. By me every tongue shall swear, saying, in Yahweh alone are saving justice and strength, until all those who used to rage at Him come to Him in shame. In Yahweh the whole race of Israel finds justice and glory. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 85 verse 9 to 10, 11 to 12, 13 to 14. His saving help is near for those who fear Him. His glory will dwell in our land. Faithful love and loyalty join together. Saving justice and peace embrace. Loyalty will spring up from the earth, and justice will lean down from heaven. Yahweh will Himself give prosperity, and our soil will yield its harvest. Justice will walk before Him, treading out a path. Gospel, Luke chapter 7 verse 18 to 23. The disciples of John gave him all this news, and John, summoning 2 of his disciples, sent them to the Lord to ask, are you the one who is to come, or are we to expect someone else? When the men reached Jesus they said, John the Baptist has sent us to you to ask, are you the one who is to come, or are we to expect someone else? At that very time He cured many people of diseases and afflictions and of evil spirits, and gave the gift of sight to many who were blind. Then He gave the messengers their answer, go back and tell John what you have seen and heard. The blind see again, the lame walk, those suffering from virulent skin diseases are cleansed, and the deaf hear, the dead are raised to life. The good news is proclaimed to the poor, and blessed is anyone who does not find me a cause of falling.